Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition and it looks really and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some flat footwear which looks really nice and really beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very amazing kind of slipper. It's in a black color which looks really nice and really beautiful. And this one is also a very pretty. It's the little bit shiny kind of thing which looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of thing. It's with a very colorful thing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of flat sandals that can help you to upgrade the collection of your footwears and make it more interesting and more beautiful and more pretty. And flat sandals are a comfortable and stylish footwear option, perfect for warm weather and casual outings. They are great for beach trip, pool days, or running errands with various styles such as slides, flip-flops, or strappy sandals. You can choose that one that suit your taste and occasion. Many flat sandals also feature soft footbeds, coated arch support, and cushioned insole, providing all-day comfort. Whether you're dressing up or keep it simple, flat sandals are a versatile and practical choice, and flat sandals are also incredibly versatile, pairing well with a wide range of outfits from flowy sundresses or shorts to distressed denims and casual tops. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care.